Gold slips as dollar firms, cenbank meetings in focus. Gold prices slipped on Monday as the dollar held firm and investors braced for a slew of policy decisions from major global central banks including the US Federal Reserve this week. Spot gold was down 0.4% to $2,147.89 per ounce as of 0259 GMT. US gold futures fell 0.5% to $2,151.30. A fairly hawkish outcome from the Fed has been baked in. It shows a fairly strong consensus that there might only be one or two cuts this year, said Kyle Rodder, a financial market analyst at Capital.com. The Fed is considered certain to keep rates at 5.25%-5.5% at the end of its two-day meeting on Wednesday, but there is a possibility that the Fed might signal a higher-for-longer outlook on policy given the stickiness of inflation at both the consumer and producer level. Traders are now pricing in an about 56% chance of a rate cut in June. Higher interest rates reduce the appeal of holding non-yielding gold. Last week, data showed that U.S. consumer prices increased solidly in February, and producer prices rose more than expected amid a surge in the cost of goods like gasoline and food. If we get a less hawkish outcome from the Fed, there's every reason that we will see a weaker dollar, lower yields, and that could just fuel a rally and provide some fundamental impetus, and then you are looking at $2,200 levels, said Rodder. The dollar held steady near a two-week high against its rivals, making gold more expensive for other currency holders. Meanwhile, the Bank of Japan is expected to exit its ultra-dovish monetary policy at its two-day meeting ending on Tuesday. The Bank of England will hold its meeting on Thursday and is expected to stay put on rates. Spot platinum eased 0.1% to $932.45 per ounce. Palladium was steady at $1,077.25, and silver dipped 0.6% to $25.01.